Artificial intelligence, AI, has evolved significantly over the years, progressing through various stages of development and adoption. Each stage represents a milestone in the advancement of AI technology, bringing us closer to realizing its full potential. We will explore the 7 stages of AI and how they have shaped the landscape of intelligent machines. The field of artificial intelligence, AI, has experienced remarkable progress, evolving through various stages that have shaped the landscape of intelligent machines. From the early beginnings of artificial narrow intelligence, ANI, to the theoretical concepts of artificial general intelligence, AGI, and beyond, AI continues to push boundaries and redefine what is possible. Let's explore the latest developments in the stages of AI and delve into the cutting-edge advancements that are propelling us into the future. In recent years, significant strides have been made in the realm of ANI. AI systems have become more sophisticated and capable, demonstrating impressive accuracy in speech recognition, image analysis, and natural language processing. We have witnessed the proliferation of virtual assistants, such as Alexa and Google Assistant, which have become integral parts of our daily lives. These ANI systems continue to improve, adapting to user preferences and delivering increasingly personalized experiences. In this video, we will take you on a journey through the stages of AI, exploring the remarkable advancements and breakthroughs that have propelled us into the future. Stage 1. Artificial Narrow Intelligence, ANI. The first stage of AI, also known as Artificial Narrow Intelligence, ANI, refers to systems designed to perform specific tasks with a level of intelligence comparable to or surpassing human capability. ANI is focused on narrow domains, such as speech recognition, image classification, or playing chess. Examples of ANI include virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa, which can understand and respond to voice commands, but have limited capabilities beyond their designated tasks. This is where it all began, with AI systems designed to excel in specific tasks, such as voice recognition, image classification, and game playing. Stage 2. Artificial General Intelligence, AGI. Artificial General Intelligence, AGI, represents the next step in AI development, where machines possess the ability to understand, learn, and apply knowledge across a wide range of tasks and domains, similar to human intelligence. AGI aims to mimic human cognitive abilities, including reasoning, problem-solving, and creativity. While AGI remains a theoretical concept, researchers and scientists are actively working towards achieving this level of AI. As researchers pushed the boundaries of AI, they aimed to develop machines capable of understanding, learning, and applying knowledge across a wide range of domains, resembling human intelligence. Stage 3. Contextual Adaptation. Contextual adaptation refers to the stage where AI systems can understand and adapt to specific contexts or environments. It involves the ability to interpret and respond appropriately to different situations, taking into account variables such as user preferences, location, and historical data. Contextual adaptation enhances the AI's ability to provide personalized and tailored experiences, improving its overall usefulness and effectiveness. AI systems became more contextually aware, interpreting information from various sources and adapting their responses to specific situations. This led to personalized and tailored experiences, improving their effectiveness. Stage 4. Autonomous Decision-Making. Autonomous decision-making involves AI systems that can make independent decisions based on the information available to them. This stage builds upon contextual adaptation and enables AI to analyze complex data sets, identify patterns, and generate insights to support decision-making processes. Autonomous decision-making has numerous applications, including autonomous vehicles, financial forecasting, and healthcare diagnostics. Stage 5. Artificial Superintelligence, ASI. Artificial Superintelligence, ASI, refers to AI systems that surpass human intelligence in virtually every aspect. ASI possesses a level of cognitive abilities far beyond human comprehension and can outperform humans in intellectual tasks. ASI could potentially possess the capability to self-improve and enhance its own intelligence exponentially, leading to unprecedented advancements and transformations across all industries. Stage 6. Singularity. The singularity represents a hypothetical future stage where AI's capabilities become so advanced that they surpass human understanding and control. At this stage, AI systems may have the ability to self-evolve, leading to exponential growth in intelligence and potential outcomes. The concept of the singularity raises complex ethical and philosophical questions, as it could bring about radical changes to society and the human experience. Stage 7. Synergistic coexistence. The final stage, synergistic coexistence, envisions a harmonious coexistence between humans and AI. It involves leveraging the strengths of AI to augment human capabilities rather than replace them. In this stage, humans and AI work together collaboratively, with AI systems assisting in decision-making, problem-solving, and enhancing overall productivity. Synergistic coexistence emphasizes the importance of responsible AI development, ethics, and maintaining human control over AI systems. While we have made significant progress in AI development, it is important to note that not all stages have been fully realized. AGI, ASI, and Singularity remain theoretical concepts, and their realization is the subject of ongoing research and exploration. As AI continues to advance, understanding these stages can help us appreciate the current capabilities of AI systems, anticipate future developments, and navigate the ethical, societal, and technological challenges that lie ahead. The 7 stages of AI provide a framework for understanding the evolution and potential of artificial intelligence. From artificial narrow intelligence to the singularity, each stage represents a milestone in the development of intelligent machines. While we have made tremendous progress, it is important to approach AI development responsibly and ensure that it aligns with our ethical values and priorities. By fostering synergistic coexistence between humans and AI, we can harness the power of AI to enhance our lives and shape a future where technology serves humanity's best interests. Looking ahead, the trajectory of AI is characterized by a vision of synergistic coexistence. This stage emphasizes collaboration between humans and AI, leveraging the strengths of both to drive innovation, enhance productivity, and solve complex problems. By combining human creativity, intuition, and empathy with AI's computational power and analytical capabilities, we can create a future where technology serves as a powerful tool for augmenting human capabilities and improving our quality of life. In conclusion, the stages of AI represent a fascinating journey of progress and innovation. From ANI to AGI and the potential of ASI, AI continues to push boundaries and reshape our world. The latest developments demonstrate the immense potential of AI to revolutionize industries, solve complex problems, and enhance human experiences. However, it is crucial to approach AI with responsibility, ensuring ethical practices, and considering its long-term impact on society. As we embrace the latest stage of synergistic coexistence, the possibilities for collaboration between humans and AI are endless, promising a future where technology serves as a catalyst for progress and positive change. Stay informed and protected in the age of AI. Subscribe to our channel for more in-depth discussions on the latest technology trends and their impact on society. Don't forget to like and share this video to spread awareness about the crucial role AI plays in our lives. Together, we can embrace the AI revolution safely and responsibly.